Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you guys having a Ford Fusion, that generation here from year 2013 to year 2020. If you have one of those, if you need to find where the powertrain fuses are located, you have guys multiple fuses, like almost close to 10 of them that you need to check. Some of them are special, we'll talk about that, where you can buy cheap parts to use fuses, the good price, quick shipping, that way you do not waste money and time, and why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. All that guys will be covered absolutely free for your convenience. Make sure to stay until the end. So let us tell you a little bit about us guys. When we get a car here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 free repair videos absolutely to you guys. We make a video about every single fuse, every single relay. Let's say you're in the middle of nowhere, your car doesn't start, you can easily identify what causes that. You can search for engine starter fuse, fuel pump fuse. Let's say that's a problem, you replace it, you're back in the road. It takes less than 2 minutes to watch the video guys. So that will be guys our mission, to make your life easier and to solve your problem. Now in addition guys, we have other channels as well. We make 300 free repair videos on every car we get at the garage, take them completely apart. We do engine work, transmission, body work, engine codes, fuses, anything like that. Now why we do that? To save you money guys. So on this Ford Fusion there are different years, okay, through the different models through the years from 2013 all the way to 2020. There will be some minor differences about the fuses. So if you notice that we mention up to 2-3 different fuses for the same thing, it could be because it could be a different fuse for a different year, but we're trying to help all of you with that generation Ford Fusion. So let's start on it now. So guys, where you can expect to find the fuses for the powertrain on that generation Ford Fusion here. Now you have multiple fuse boxes, but today we're working just one that's under the hood, so all of them are practically there, which is a good thing. And here, if you look guys, okay, on the driver's side you see that box, okay, that cover here will need to be removed, and right underneath you'll find the main engine fuse box with a layout like this one here. Before we guys continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. So let me explain why it's super important guys to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below specifically to that video. Please check it out. So another thing guys, before I forget, if you guys need to buy any fuses, relays, parts, tools for Ford Fusion or any car at a good price, quick shipping, we'll put a link in the description of the video below for your convenience. That way you do not waste your money and time. So here guys, for the powertrain we need to check multiple fuses, and let's zoom in a little bit so you can see clearly. Now under that relay here you're going to find fuse number 7 and 8, both 20 fuses in our case. One you can barely see here, but these two fuses will need to be checked. Then you will guys need to check fuse number 11 and 12, right here, that's double fuse, 13 and 14 as well. Check those guys. After that you will need to find fuse number 26, double fuse again, right here, and fuse number 51, that portion of that double fuse right there. Hopefully guys the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching, see you next time.